much with me. I am going to start off with soy sauce. I'm gonna make the salad dressing first, okay? So we need 1/4 cup of soy sauce. All right, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. Need some sesame oil. And 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Ugh. I would use olive oil, but don't know how that's gonna taste. 1/4 cup of sugar. As you know, I only use brown sugar. I'll do a knob of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic. Alright, so the seeds won't fall in. Teaspoon of salt. I will blend that. I'll be back and I'll show you how it's gonna look once you blend it up. I did it the efficient way. Now I am going to prep my salad. So it is a cucumber chicken salad. I did like that because everybody's making cucumber salads nowadays. I don't like that either. Let me see. Okay, at first, these are thick. Now this is what they look like. Can I go smaller? Go smaller. Cucumbers in there. Ah! That skin! Alright, there you go. We're gonna chop up some green onion. I'll eat that piece. I'm gonna cut up some cilantro. Put that in there. And then put it in the refrigerator. Alright, next you need a chicken breast, but I'm not gonna shred it. I'm gonna just toss it in here in my little Ninja. Another one. And I'm just gonna blend that up and then I'll show y'all what it looked like once I'm done. How it looks, okay? I wanted it to be a little finer. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Alright, I'm gonna leave that in there. Alright, now you add purple cabbage. Okay. I am gonna take these leaves that fell off. I'm gonna shred this cabbage. You do about half of it. This is how it looks. Alright. All done with that. I'm ready. So I'm just gonna put everything in this container right here. Transfer it. I have the cucumbers, cilantro, carrots, your red cabbage. Alright. And then you have your chicken. I'm gonna be very generous. Ooh, let me take that dollop of ginger out. Oh, this looks so good already. I think I'm gonna make some more salad dressing. I'm gonna do some of this salad dressing again. I put that piece of garlic. I put the piece of ginger in here, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of sugar. This is your rice vinegar, your soy sauce. Do 1/4 cup of that, cup of vegetable oil. Not worried about a strainer this time. Your lemon, just do a little bit of salt. Eyeball it. Okay. bring you with me this time. Come on. We're done. Here is the second. Ooh! Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is the second dose of. Maybe I shouldn't put all of it in here. Shake it up. As soon as I finished shaking the salad up, guess who walked in? Bun? Oh God.
It's delicious. I'm sure it's, after Ursula gets her hands on stuff, I'm sure it's a lot better than it normally would be with the recipes. My wife's an amazing cook. I love her dearly.
You taste the chicken? Oh, you don't taste the chicken.
Haven't got to that point yet.
No, it's all throughout.
Oh.
Look.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah.
It's shredded very fine. Yum, yum, yum. This is the final outcome of this cucumber chicken salad. Asian cucumber chicken salad. You hear Bun scraping his plate in the background.